Hola a todos, ¿cómo estamos? Soy Sierra LaFay, and as you can see, my sewing is finally out. I had it in for like a month and a few days. I usually keep my sewings in a lot longer than that, but if you saw my last video, you guys heard that I was really missing my real hair because I've had my hair in protective styles for basically since I got back from Europe in February. So yeah, I've been just really missing my real hair, even though, you know, we have this love-hate relationship. I think I just want to take some time and appreciate it a little bit and really get some more content about my heat train hair to you guys. But yeah, it took me about 2.5 hours to take this out. And in this video, I show you guys basically how I manage my hair once I take it out of a sew-in specifically. As I was actually taking out my braids, I was also going through my hair very slowly and gently so that I can get the shedded hairs out. And I'm going to continue to do that now that all my hair is out or taken out of the braids. I have gotten a lot of shedding, surprisingly. I'm trying to figure out where to put this, or here you guys kind of see it, because when I had my braids in, I didn't feel like my hair shedded as much as it has shedded today or right now. So I don't know, maybe if it's because the braids were smaller. And so far I think my edges are okay. I know we were worried about that when I told you guys that it was pulling a little bit, but right now I didn't really see too much loss in my edges, but I guess I'll get a better view of that once I straighten my hair. So the front of my hair is pretty finger detangled, but the back is not. The front of my hair is more heat trained than the back of my hair. I still feel like I have a different curl pattern in the back of my hair than the front of my hair, and the curl pattern is still a lot tighter. So I don't want to keep it hurts. I don't want to keep trying to manipulate it, pull it, because it'll just make things worse. What I'm going to do is actually do a protein treatment, and that's actually going to help my hair to me to detangle my hair a little bit better and get even more of the shedded hairs out. So I'm also doing a protein treatment because my hair has been in protective styles for so long, braids specifically, that my hair is now super weak and I need to try to strengthen it. I've talked about protein treatments in the past, and basically people use, I used to use egg and mayonnaise too, but I learned quickly that that doesn't do anything for the hair. You want to get a treatment that is actually going to penetrate through the hair shafts and work its way from the inside out, strengthening your hair, as opposed to egg and mayonnaise where it just sits on top of the hair. So the one I always use is the one by Green Beauty. She actually has a YouTube channel, and her channel is super duper informative. She really goes in depth and then talks about the science of the hair and hair growth. I love her channel, but she also has her own product line, and she sells this on Amazon. It's only 10 bucks, and I've had this for a long time. I only need like 2 tablespoons per treatment, and I'm going to just go ahead and mix that with my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil. So what I do is I'm going to put this, I'm going to put maybe maybe 1 big gulp, like palm size, into a cup, and then I'll put 2 tablespoons of this, mix it in there. I'm gonna wet my hair, and then go ahead and start putting the treatment from the ends and work my way up, but I'm not gonna put it on the root. If you want to see this more in detail, I'll have a video link down below. I'm not gonna show that right now because I don't want this video to be super long, and like I said, I already have a video about it, so just check it out below if you want to see really how I do my protein treatment. But I guess I will be back once I have this over my head. Alrighty, so I've let this sit in my hair for about 35 minutes, and I'll actually show you what my hair looks like. I wanted to sit under a hooded dryer, but I just didn't have the time because I had to do something while this was sitting in my hair. But when I actually do my deep conditioning treatment, which is what I'm about to do next, I will sit under a hooded dryer, and I'm going to go ahead and actually wash it. First, with the VO5, I'm using a clarifying shampoo because I have a lot of grease and grit in my hair from the month, and I just kind of want to get that all out with this. So I'll just do like a really big gulp of this with the size of my palm, and then wash that out once, and then I'm going to go ahead and try the Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo, and then I will try the Deep Conditioner Hair Mask, and this is the one I'll sit with a shower cap and sit under hooded dryer for like 10-15 minutes. I'm going to start rambling though. Yeah, see you guys in a bit. So it's super late now, so I have to kind of talk a little low. I could not find my hooded dryer, so what I did was after I put the conditioner on my hair and put the cap on there, I ran me a bath, make sure it was really hot, and then I sat in there and just let the steam from the tub kind of do its thing. And I've had the towel wrapped around my hair for about 20 minutes now because I don't like to blow dry my hair when it's dripping wet. I like for it to dry some. What I usually do is sit under a dryer after I've washed it just to kind of help dry it up, but again I couldn't find it. My hair feels super duper soft, super duper soft. I would say though that I do like the way the baba suit oil feels with my hair a little bit better than this one, but I also love the way my hair smells with this. Surprisingly, it smells super fresh and like kind of expensive in my opinion. Tonight I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry it in sections, and then in the morning I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron it. And it's always easier for me to part it into 4 sections. And I'm using the Conair blow dryer. All the products I use will be linked down below as always. So my hair has actually never felt this soft after a blow dry. This is really cool. And that took me like no more than 5 minutes. I think what helps is that my hair was also 50% dry, so I didn't have to put the heat on my hair for as long. I'll be back when my hair is all finished being blow dried. Alrighty, I'm all finished with the blow dry. Again, my hair feels super duper soft. It took me about 15-20 minutes to blow dry my whole head. And then in the morning, I'm going to flat iron 3 sections of my hair off camera, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys again how I flat iron my hair. So about my edges, this side in particular, it like, I don't even know what this area is called. I'm not gonna show you guys, but it's like gone. Like I have a big bald spot there. That's something I'm gonna have to figure out how to grow back. I don't know what I did in life to deserve that. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna cry about this, probably tonight, low-key. But I'll see you guys in the morning. Okay guys, it's the next day. I flat ironed 3/4 of my hair and I just have this little section left. I'm actually not gonna do this whole section on camera because I'm running super late. I cannot see anything. And yeah, I just need to get going. However, I am obsessed with the results. I will definitely be using Mielle from now on. I feel like it works best with my hair. Definitely also need my ends clipped. Alright, so for flat ironing, after I section off my hair, I do take my comb out the tangles a little bit. And again, as always, I start off at the root, kind of dab it, bring it down once, dab a little more, bring it down twice, kind of bring it to this point actually. Then go back up to the root, dab it, and then slowly bring it down. So that way, this is getting the most heat because it's the most curly. This one is a little bit, this section is a little bit more heat trained, so it doesn't need as much heat. And then this end is the weakest point, so I don't want to put too much heat on there. And I try to take small sections, but I know right now I just grabbed the big section, and that's only because I can't see. Bring it all the way down. And actually didn't comb out that section because I'm rushing, but you guys get the picture. You guys get the picture. So yeah, this is my hair though. So I'm gonna run back into the bathroom, finish my hair, but I'll definitely get back on here when I get off work to show you guys the last steps that I took when finishing off this style. Alright, so it's the end of the day and my hair has completely frizzed and reminded me of why I don't like to straighten my hair, but I actually did enjoy straightening it and just seeing how much it's grown. I think I'm gonna look into getting a keratin treatment though. I think I'm gonna do that for the summer. Vamos a ver. Y luego, sorry, my edges are a hot mess. When I finished flat ironing my hair, I was going to put the rosemary mint strengthening oil on the ends, but I just didn't have the time, so I'm actually going to do that tomorrow. Tonight, I think I'm just going to wrap up my hair and probably wear it in a ponytail and then try out the edge control or something. Vamos a ver también. Pero bueno, yeah, this is my hair. I'm going to do a separate video of some ways that I've discovered to grow my hair out a little bit more quicker, so be sure to subscribe so you can see that video. Yeah, if you have any comment suggestions, please leave them down below. I love to hear them. And until the next video, assalamu alaikum.
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.